Hey friends, a new season and the LG 6200 BTU AC has been installed. Yes, it's early in the season, but I was talking to some folks on the West Coast yesterday. Apparently you guys are having temps in the 90s in May already. Well, I'm prepared here in the Northeast. I got a comment on my channel recently regarding someone was saying that they have to have the professionals installing their window AC, that it's the law in their country. I don't know where that person was from. But I've lived in apartment buildings, complexes where either the tenant can install their own or other situations that it's required that the management company installs the AC units. And you may have to deal with that in your apartment or condo association, guys. That's for litigation purposes, insurance purposes. In other words, if you're on a second, fourth, fifth story apartment and this thing is not in securely and it falls over and injures someone or injures someone's property or automobile, then the building could potentially be liable. So that's what that's all about. But post your comments below if that pertains to you. Also, I inspected the silicone sealant that I applied last year on the seam of this new LG right down there in between the accordion fold and the actual box. And that's maintained very well. That silicone sealant lasts for years if it's applied well. As well as I've got weather seal tape sealing off the edges there, the perimeter. Got a comment on another video recently saying that the weather seal tape has no insulating, I believe it's called RV value. And that's true. I mean, tape is not an insulator per se, as well as foam is or something like that. But a heavy duty tape like Frost King that can withstand hot and cold temps, guys, is the best way to seal this stuff off. Now you can apply hardware screws and drill into the casing here if you want to choose that way and do that every season. I just choose to apply the weather seal tape. It works excellent, so the accordion is fitting snug against there. And lastly, to make sure that your window AC is secure in the window, because the downward pressure, you want to put dowels fitted in. I put them on both sides here, guys, wooden dowels from the top of the window sill here up to the upper edge of the sill, and that creates that downward pressure to make sure that your AC will not fall through the window. I hope these tips help you guys get ramped up for another, I'm anticipating another hot summer with this global warming business, even though temps today, mid-May, are unseasonably cool in the 40s. I'm ready for as soon as it hits 85, 90 degrees with that humidity, man. This thing is getting turned on. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I'm posting new content. And also, post your favorite window air conditioners below. I've recently been going with LG. It's cooled with R410A coolant, and it's working out pretty well. I like it. Good value. I think it was just over a couple $100 last year on sale.